Okay, so we keep going. Now we are doing the derivatives of sine f of x, cos f of x, and tan f of x. Okay, we've seen sine x, cos x, and tan x. Now we want, what about when it's like a sine 3x or a sine of x squared plus 5? What about, how do we do those ones? Okay, so I'm going to do one and then we'll see the trick for all of them. Okay, so let's say we have y being equal to sine of some function. Remember that by f of x, we just mean anything else which is not an x. Great. So let's go. We'll say to differentiate this, we're going to say let u be equal to f of x. Okay. What is f of x? The inside. That's the one which we make u, the inside guy. Okay. So that means we can now say y is equal to sine of u. Okay. Which means we can now get du dx. It is going to be f dash x. And that means dy du, derivative of y. Remember that y is in terms of u. So we can get dy du, right? It will be equal to, what's the derivative of sine? It is cos. So cos u. Okay, you can go back to the chart. Now we have it like this. To say, we can say that dy dx will be equal to dy du. That's by the chain rule. Okay, by chain rule. By chain rule, we can say that dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx, which is, what's my dy du? Cos u times, what's my du dx? F dash x. So we can say it is equal to f dash x cos u, which is going to be f dash x cos, what's my u? Can bring it back now. U is f of x. So cos of f of x. Cos of f of x. So do you see what happened? Do you see what happened? The derivative of sine f of x, we first differentiate sine. What do you do when you differentiate sine? You get cos, okay? Then we will multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is going to be the derivative of f of x, okay? That's the same for all of them. So I can say d dx of, start by sine f of x. It will be equal to, we differentiate f dash x, we multiply derivative of sine f of x, it is cos f of x. So now we have it. That's going to be the complete thing. Then we can say the derivative d dx of cos f of x. This is going to be equal to f dash x. Okay, we differentiate the inside, we multiply. Derivative of cos is negative sine. So negative sine of f of x, it comes as it is. Okay, if it was f of x, it will come as f of x. Okay, but it is now negative sign. So the negative goes in front. It will be negative f dash x sine f of x. Then we can say now the last one, d dx of tan f of x. This will be equal to, what's the derivative of tan? We first differentiate. It will be f dash x times, what's the derivative of tan? Sec squared. Instead of x, it is now sec squared f of x. So it will be f dash x sec squared f of x. These are going to be the ones that we want, and we are done. So let's go ahead and do nice examples. Some nice examples. Then we can be able to practice the things which we have learned. So we can even pimp our table now to say y. Then we say dy dx. Okay, dy dx. So first we do with the sign. So sine x is going to be, the derivative is cos x. Then the derivative of cos x, it is negative sine x. Then the derivative of tan x, okay, let's change the crayon. The derivative of tan x is secant squared x. Then we go, the derivative of, we rewrite, we now say the derivative of sine f of x. What is this going to be? F dash x cos f of x. Then the derivative of cos f of x, it is negative f dash x. The derivative of course will be sine, so sine f of x. Then the derivative, we do the last one now, the derivative of tan f of x. This would be f dash x secant squared f of x. These are the things, and we are done. So you have a lot. Wow, great job. Okay, we just multiply. So this is what we need so far, and we've got one more guy to do, and then we can just do a question bank. Let's go and do it in the next video.